Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I am one of those people who it doesn't matter what I'm doing, if I'm traveling, I always have to take my makeup off before I go to bed. And something that has really helped me to always do that are these Neutrogena all-in-one makeup remover wipes. These wipes come individually packaged, which makes them perfect for taking with me on the go. Inside the package, the wipes stay perfectly moistened with the makeup removing product. The texture of the wipes are incredibly soft and gentle on my skin. They take away every trace of my eye, lip, and face makeup. In the past, I would often take little bottles of eye makeup remover with me, along with the round cotton pads, but now I don't have to fuss with that. All I have to do now is take along a few of these Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, and I'm good to go. It doesn't matter what I'm doing now or if I'm traveling, I never have an excuse to go to bed with my makeup on, thanks to these wipes. And that's my point of view.